Number 11. The study of soil from the standpoint of higher plants or plant production. Number 12. The size of this soil particle is less than 1 micrometer. Number 13. Nitrification carried out by autotrophic bacteria is not affected by which of the following? Number 14. In relation to crop production, clayey soils are known to be. Number 15. A soil consists of the three components, namely solid, liquid, and gas.